Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. We all know Flutter is based on widgets. Today, I will be explaining types of widget and the differences. If you are new here or you haven't subscribed, kindly do so now. Your subscription encourages me to do more. Now let's get started. Basically, we have two types of widget. The stateless widget, and the stateful widget. This is a stateless widget. A stateless widget is used whenever there will be no change in the UI of the app. This is a stateful widget. A stateful widget is used whenever there will be changes in the value or in the UI of the app. A stateful widget is often used with a set state or unchanged property, which is used to set or give a new value to the changed widget. Here are some more differences between a stateless and stateful widget. And here it is, stateless and stateful widget explained in a minute. If you enjoyed and understand this, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you didn't, subscribe and put down your question in the comment section. Thanks, and I will see you in the next lesson.